Meet Sam. Like many of us, he is overwhelmed, buried under deadlines, expectations, and the constant noise of a busy world. His mind, much like his desk, is in chaos. Frustrated, he steps away, seeking escape. In the calm of the park, Sam notices a wise man. While Sam wrestles with his inner storm, the wise man seems untouched by time or worry. Curious, Sam observes him and wonders, how does he stay so calm? The wise man doesn't speak, but his actions carry wisdom. He points to the pond ahead, where ripples spread from a single falling leaf. Sam watches, intrigued. The wise man's silent lesson is simple: the mind is like this pond. Each stressor, each worry, is a pebble creating ripples. The more pebbles you throw in, the more chaotic the water becomes. But if left alone, the ripples eventually settle, and the pond becomes still again. Without a word, the wise man demonstrates mindfulness. He invites Sam into the practice with a simple breath. In, and out. Slowly, Sam begins to feel the shift, a sense of calm washing over him. Mindfulness isn't about silencing the world, it's about noticing it, observing thoughts and feelings like clouds passing in the sky. With each breath, Sam learns to let go of the chaos and focus on the present moment. Back in the storm of daily life, Sam applies what he has learned. The ripples are still there, deadlines, emails, meetings, but now, he faces them one at a time, with clarity and calm. The wise man's lesson lingers: not every pebble deserves your attention. Focus on what matters, and let the rest settle. Life will always throw pebbles, but the stillness within you can calm even the stormiest of waters. Like Sam, you too can find peace, not by controlling the chaos, but by mastering your response to it.